short video, you will learn how a field on a form can be dependent on the value selected in another field. The field that relies on the dependent field will only display the values in the lookup that depend on the selected value. Let's have a look inside the application first. In the ingredients view, you can see the ingredients list. Cheese and milk belong to dairy, and apples, bananas and oranges belong to fruit. If we come to add a recipe and come to the recipe ingredients page, if we select a category and then come to the ingredient list, all the ingredients are shown. The ingredients are not filtered by the category. Let's look in 5 to demonstrate how easily this can be done. Back in 5, 2 more tables have been added, the recipe and recipe ingredient tables. The recipe ingredient table has foreign relationships with the recipe, ingredient and category tables. We'll head to the form wizard and add the forms for these tables. First, select the recipe table as our data source and just click the Save button as there are no field configurations required here. Next, we'll select the recipe ingredient table as our data source and we'll turn the Add Menu item switch off. We'll head to the next page of the wizard and you can see here 5 has already referenced the required forms as the foreign relationships are defined in the database. In the dependent field for the ingredient key record, select Category Key. This will now make the ingredient key field dependent on the category key field and only display the ingredient values that belong to the selected category. You can include more fields in the list if you like, and we'll save this form. If we come to the Forms view and select Recipe Ingredients and navigate our way down to the fields, select the ingredient key field and you can see here the category key is the dependent field. All we need to do now is add our recipe ingredients page to the recipe form because we didn't make a menu item for it. So we'll select recipes, come to the pages page, we'll call it recipe ingredients, and we'll give it a page type of list, and our action will be our recipe ingredients form. Now let's look at it in the app. Once again, you can see our ingredients all belong to a category. Now when we add a recipe, we can go to the recipe ingredients page, select a category, and in the ingredient field, only the ingredients that belong to the category will be displayed.